Good morning, friends, and I hope today was a superb trading day. Yeah, people who are in my channel would have noticed these are the chart levels. Okay, let us share. Let us see what happened today. Very simple. If you see, where was the opening? Okay, let me get this. Okay, market opened here and moved exactly into the sell zone. This trend line is a sell zone. So these are tomorrow's levels. Let me just make it white for you so that doesn't confuse us. Meanwhile, I am happy, people at late night also, joining in, asking questions, uh, showing interest to learn, understand the market, instead of just diving into the market. See, it's always better to be prepared for what the market can happen next day. Okay. So this is the okay price first went here and then we saw a rejected. So what happened? We had a good put entry. There was another put entry here, and here there was a good long side. So when you go to the 5 minute chart, you'll see it's not just a small points, right from if I'd even taken a short here, it's almost 200 points. Okay, correct. In fact, here we took longs from here itself. This rally we were able to capture. And if you see here, almost 200 points, and in an expiry monthly expiry, put of 100 will double. Okay, that's what happened in Nifty as well. So this was the trades. Initially it went up, so we had a call trade and then a put and then a slow moving call trade and then beautiful put trade. 26,000 put. Okay, let me tell you, 26,000 put, 26,000 P from 30, 25 if I'm right, it went up to 120. So this was the potential of the market. I'm not sure how many made money, but that is a different story altogether, but this was the potential. And if you see our levels perfectly, it was selling off from here, a big sell off from here also. So now for tomorrow, these are the levels. Now what am I looking at? I am looking at 25,820 being tested tomorrow, possibly tested tomorrow. We will have to see whether price will exactly sell here or open here and then come here and then move down or move above this line, which will be the blue line, right? Blue line is what? Buying. Red is what? Selling. Simple. So do we sell immediately? No, we will wait for confirmations. Okay. Now, you see with Reliance, I had mentioned possibilities that this can move up. But what I did, okay, I think this is the previous. So above this, it went up and then, nice downside. Now, if you see this pattern, what does this look like? This looks like a M pattern, right? For tomorrow, again, possibility that price, even if it moves up, we will look for selling. Okay. But again, this is in a different pattern. If you see, it is also like, trading in the zone. So it may just, trade within the zone also. Okay. This I've been telling you most time and again. And if you see, we were bearish here. If you see this was expected. I expected this to move up, but then it just went down. Didn't move up at all, just went down. I thought it will go up and then come down, but the market is not even interested. I just want to sell. Probably, see this area perfectly from this trend line, selling is happening. Okay. Bank Nifty also the same. Okay, of course we spoke about Bank Nifty. Now for tomorrow, let us remove this white, make it. Let us guide the color from white to blue and red. Okay. I'll also come to the stocks which I'm looking at. One of them beautiful stocks and some beautiful swing trades we're looking at. We have stocks like Jindal Steel. Okay. Again, depends on how the price moves. If price moves above this blue line, then my target is this. However, if price test this levels, then I have a sell trade where my target can be somewhere close to this one. Right. Close to this zone. Or rather, I can move this. Okay, let me move this somewhere at this level. Okay. This depends on what market wants to do. Same with ICICI Lombard. If it moves above this blue line, then my target is somewhere over here. However, if it goes below this, my target will be somewhere on the downside. If you see, especially if you see this chart, it is being trading in this zone. So more or less, there is more of a downside potential till here also. Okay. Now, how to trade this? You have to trade in futures. You can short a future and then buy a 1960 call, right? So thereby your position is hedged. You're not, even if it fluctuates, you're not in a major loss. Now, if you look at Lodha, same structure, almost the same structure, but then if you see, there is potential that it will come down. Sinjan, on the other hand, has slight difference of, see, there was a strong up move here, but then has been stuck in this range. Now, whether it wants to take this and go up, or is something which we need to see, or take this support in this blue line and then go up. So more or less, I am slightly on the thinking of the upside. Same with Tech Mahindra, I am slightly looking at the upside. Okay, my target would be somewhere. Let me see how much is the move. Wow, 91, 90 points, almost around. Okay, I can expect almost what, 30, 35 points. So somewhere till here is what I can expect. Okay, so these are my views. If you have any questions, queries, please feel free, come into our chat box and share my number. My WhatsApp is 7411234171. Messages here, we will definitely respond to you. And if you are interested to understand price action, you want to understand how data is interpreted, how the price action, simple price action trading, no indicators, how to draw these lines, how to understand where the market, see, these are mostly waves. What we are looking at is pure price action with waves, where the market wants to move. It gives you a prediction. Waves gives you a proper prediction of where the structure is, market structure is, right? And what type of a structure is being formed, pattern is being formed. It is called as chart patterns. Okay, so chart patterns, candlestick patterns. Candlestick pattern is different from chart pattern. Okay, chart patterns are much more stronger. And wave theory, Eloyd waves, how to understand the waves of the market, waves of the chart, and big players data, institutional data and trading. Live data we get where the institution big players placing orders. Okay, what we place, options is nothing in front of the kind of positions they place. Okay, let's also look at how the option chain is built up for the coming week. That will give a very good idea of where the market is heading. Okay, so open interest. So we don't we 27th, we looking at 2nd December. Here we see a lot of writing on the call side for 2nd December. Obviously, that is why the pressure was built. But whether the pressure will shift to support with 25,900 or this will go off and slowly this will be taken off is something we need to see. We'll also look at the monthly year end, what the market is looking for year end. A lot of calls being written. Put also is being written. 26,000 seems to be a strong support for December at the moment. All right, as per this data. Okay, so we'll see how it goes. Maybe there's a dip and then upside. Okay, now thank you. God bless you all. Take care, and I hope we able to answer your queries, share views, ideas. Okay, meanwhile, yesterday's stock picks, Glenmark, beautiful upside. JSW was short. If you see the levels also have worked perfectly well. Right, just went up. Kotak was a sell right from here. Union Bank of India, Indian Bank. So we thought at least one of the stocks will go 4-5%, but nevertheless 2.5% is also good enough.